Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day or night whenever you're watching this. So today's video is going to be a two look video for the second NARS Voyager palette, which we're going to use Quartz today. So this is what it looks like. And this is the palette that we're going to use. We're going to do a look with the bottom row and a look with the top row. Really enjoyed. I love this palette. It's one of my favorites out of the Voyagers. And a correction from my last video, which was the hibiscus palette, which I will link somewhere up the top here and in the description for you to go and check out. I went looking and there's not 3, there's 4 palettes. So keep an eye out. I'm on the hunt to get those 2 in so that we can continue on with this series. I've been really enjoying doing this. So this is the look we're going to create for the second day. I hope you enjoyed, and please don't mind my red eye. I poked myself in the eye really hard this morning and I think I may have actually burst a blood vessel in it. So fun times for me, that's great. But anyway, let's get on with the look.
Taking Mulberry from this Quartz palette, I'm using a really fluffy blending brush from Morphe, and I'm going to start off in my outer corner crease and really blend that up and soften that. You'll see that I'll go back and forth with 2 different blending brushes, one quite soft from Morphe as you see here, and then I'll go in with a denser brush. This is from Real Techniques, and really buff out that top edge, so it's a really nice transition. Using my finger, I'm going to take Fontainebleau. I believe that's how you say that. I'll have everything listed down below. This shade really goes on well with using your finger. It doesn't really pick up well with the brush. And then once I've built that up, I'm just going to quickly go over the crease with the Mulberry shade. On the inner corner, I'm taking Gold Souk, and I'm using the flat brush from Morphe to apply that, and you'll see that in a moment I'll use my finger to apply some more. I'm also taking that shade up above the eyebrow. Taking a black liner pen and doing a wing, and then going in with mascara. For the face, I'm using a NARS blush. I don't have those names in front of me, so check the description box down below. Everything will be listed there for you to check out. It's a really beautiful neutral shade. And then for highlight, same thing. I'll have it listed below, but this came to me smashed and I didn't have the heart to send it back. It's still usable and I just haven't gotten around to fixing it, but it's really pretty. For the lips, I used MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick, and that completes the look. So to begin look 2, I'm taking this beautiful red shade. I believe it's pronounced El Circle. NARS and their shade names, oh my goodness. I'm applying this shade on the lid with a flat Morphe brush and taking it all over the lid, and then I'm going in with Dyra, which is the purple, the deep purple in the palette, and I'm putting that directly into the crease with the pencil brush, really packing that on before I go in and start blending that up. Taking that Morphe fluffy brush to blend that up, and you'll see I take the Real Techniques brush as well to really aid in the blending process. Lastly, I'll take this gold shade. This is called Jordan, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm placing that on the inner corner and blending that in with the 2 other shades. And lastly, I'm taking a black face paint for my eyeliner today. I find it's just easier for my eyelids to do instead of the pens or pencils. I've applied my lashes off camera and I'm going in with a bronzer. This one is going to be listed down below because I'm having a brain fart. I can't remember that. Just warming up my skin with that, and then I'll go in with the same blush as day 1. Remember, all the names are listed down below in the description if you're interested. And then I'll go in with the same highlight from day 1 and apply that to the high points of my face. And lastly, for the lips, I used my Velvet Teddy again.
Alrighty guys, so that is the end of this 2-look video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments if you liked this video, if you had really good experiences or really bad experiences. Everyone gets a different palette, so every experience is different, and I'd love to hear what you have to say. If you have any suggestions for these videos, let me know. Any palettes that you'd like to see, please leave a comment so I can add that to the list. Anyway, make sure you like and subscribe and just say hi. It would mean the world to me. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.